We believe in forward thinking and have done so for over 50 years. But just this once, let's look back. From our humble beginnings in an Essex seaside town, we've been trusted to deliver the right products at the right price. Since launching our first catalogue in 1999, we continually aspired to improve the service we provide our customers. Our website, that's packed with product information, technical specs, buyer's guides and reviews from other customers, offers a seamless online experience so you can shop whenever you want. All underpinned by expert knowledge, top brands and the UK's biggest range of ironmongery. Backed by our robust delivery network, we are trusted to deliver exactly what our customers need when they need it. Our rigorous quality control, regular product reviews and stress-free shopping experience earned us the trust of the electrical market, and despite our phenomenal growth, our values, commitment and passion remain the same to this day. With the addition of IronmongeryDirect, a combined inventory of over 28,000 products, quick and convenient delivery options and easy free returns, our companies have gone from strength to strength. We believe in forward thinking, so we have a bold new look and a promise to you to take us into the next 50 years. IronmongeryDirect and Electrical Direct, trusted to deliver.